Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to do something very interesting, and literally this video is going to be very fun. As you have seen the thumbnail, this video is about vision board. We are going to make vision board for myself for 2025, and those who don't know what vision board is, let me explain you, and why am I making it, that also I'll explain it to you people. First one is, what is vision board? So basically vision board is collage of pictures where you have put your goals, your affirmations. Basically, you will put best things in the form of pictures to motivate yourself to manifest in a way the whole year, the best things for you. So that is something that I'm going to do for the first time. I've never made a vision board, or like I've never done manifestation kind of a thing in my life. So this is the first time I'm doing, and yeah, I did a little bit of research about it, and I felt it is really very fun thing to do, and let's just do it. Also, it will keep remind me to stay on track. See, I know exactly whatever I want from the year. I can't get it because life is not that predictable, but planning is always good. So yeah, let's just plan best things for us. So I have majorly divided into three categories, and first one is going to be health, because I am going to be very health conscious this year, because last year has been very haywire. I have not put a lot of effort to be healthy. So this year I'm going to eat healthy. I'm going to do meditation, yoga is my first love. It has literally changed a lot of things in my life, so I will keep reminding myself to do yoga more often. So yeah, so other category is going to be my relationships with my parents, my sister, my people around me, also career wise. So these are the things that is important for me, really important for me, and I want to focus on these things. And see, I did not want this collage of picture, this vision board, to be very messy, or I don't want to put many pictures here which do not mean anything to me. I'm just making it to look static, so I am not running behind a staticity for making this vision board, because I'm really very serious about it. I have written a lot. I've put a lot of thoughts before making it. I have literally written many pages about so this thing I want to tell you people also, how if you want to make it, how you can make it. Let me make it a little bit easier for you. First one is that, write about your ideal day, how your ideal day will look like, how you want to spend, could be your routine and all. So everything you include, just sit down, relax and write about it, and then plan accordingly. Also, you can reflect back, because I think reflection is something that can make a lot of difference, because whenever you reflect, you go back, you think about all the mistakes that you have done, or all the good things you have done. So make a mixture of that, all your learning and achievement, everything you put together, and make a vision board of yours. And for that, I have searched it on Google, different websites I have explored, and majorly I have liked pictures from the Pinterest. So I have just searched pictures from there, and also I'm gonna believe that whatever I have manifested over here, it will come true, because I think this is the rule for manifestation, that you have to believe in whatever you are manifesting. So I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna believe that I will be reaching the goals that I have set for myself, and I will work hard towards it. I have my printouts over here, like whatever things I want. Not necessarily everything I have put here, but the major things. And as I have already mentioned, I have focused on majorly three specific areas where I want to focus in this particular year, like my health, my relationships, my career. I'm doing a DIY. For that, I'm making, I have this cardboard with me, and I'm gonna paste it with this pink chart paper, and then I'll cut and paste all the pictures over here. So finally, here it is. I have made this. Now it is looking nice, and now next thing is to cut pictures and paste it. So let me tell you, while I'm cutting all these pictures, I want to talk to you people. see, you have to be very, very specific about it. Also, don't just randomly go for static pictures that you will put and like it has no meaning. Every picture that you select should tell you like something deep. It should tell. Whenever you look at those pictures, it means something to you. It will tell you something. Okay, like for example, this one picture, this one, it is you are your own healer. You know, this picture is something that I have taken any screenshot. Whenever I go through my picture gallery and I come across this one screenshot, I feel something. I feel like, you know, it's truth. I am my own healer. I have fought many battles alone and I came out stronger. And you know, this picture means a lot to me. And these are like, I want to travel somewhere, I want to learn this, you know. And you know, this quote also, I love these things. This is like also, this is how I want my room to be, you know. These things I'm manifesting. So like this, like I want to reach this particular number, and like I want to eat healthy this year. So these are the pictures or the things that I have put a lot of thought into. I have not just randomly scroll into Pinterest and cut it down and pasted it somewhere. It is something I really want to do in this particular year, and I'm looking forward to it. I'm I think I feel that I will be giving more efforts for these things. Cannot discuss everything, each and everything publicly with everyone, because I'm not that kind of a person. I'm very introvert, I'm very shy. In fact, I never disclose a lot of things to even my dear ones, like very close, because see, I am little hesitant. Also, these are the basic things I wanted to share in this video. Also, if you people want to make vision board for you, I have these tips for you. Follow this, keep it very minimal, do not put a lot of pictures just to make it aesthetic, just to make it look nice, but it should mean something to you, and it should be really very aligned with your goals, all the pictures. Okay, so yeah, and put it somewhere where you can see it every now and then, so that you could be reminded of your goals. And yeah, this is it for today's video, and this is the final vision board that I have made for myself, so you can make it for yourself too. And yeah, do not forget to comment down below how do you like this video, and yeah, anything, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.